Are you looking for more range in your 2013 to 22 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 4x4? Titan's got you covered with their direct fit extra capacity fuel tank. The Ram stock fuel tank is only 31 gallons. The Titan tank is 52 gallons. That's 21 gallons larger than stock. The Titan fuel tank gives the Ram 2500 a range of over 700 miles. That means you'll have to stop to refuel long before your truck does. Titan designs its fuel tanks to be a direct fit. That means they're installed with no drilling, no cutting, and no fabrication. Titan tanks come complete with black-coated, galvanized, or stainless steel mounting straps. The Titan fuel tank is designed to use the truck stock original equipment fuel sending unit, saving you time and money from having to buy a replacement. The Ram stock fuel sending unit is removed from the stock tank and mounted to the Titan tank. They are a direct fit. There are no modifications needed. With use of the stock sending unit, the truck's analog fuel gauge will read correct and accurate with the Titan tank. The Titan Ram tank is made with their famous military-grade cross-linked polymer that's tougher than steel and more durable than aluminum. This tank fits four-wheel drive vehicles, but it will not fit two-wheel drive trucks. Like all Titan products, this extra capacity fuel tank has undergone extensive testing, so you know it can take everything you can throw at it. Titan's legendary products are so tough and well proven that they're backed by an unconditional lifetime warranty. Meaning short of shooting it with a .50 caliber rifle, they'll replace the tank if it is ever damaged, including car accidents. For more information on this or any other of Titan's legendary products, visit www.titanfueltanks.com.